Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded this video to show you that how formula field works into the Salesforce core. So in the formula field is a special field which automatically calculates the value based on the other field value. So for an example, let's say that you have a field which has a sale value and you want to calculate the tax on that sale value field. Uh, and just for an example, let's say you want to calculate the 3% tax, whatever is in this sale field, right? So what will happen that you just need to create a formula field into the into that object, and you just need to refer the parent field, which will be the sale field, right? And you need to put a formula that if the sale field multiplied with 3 divided by 100, and then what will happen that whatever the sale field value will be in a given record, uh, formula will be calculated, and the 3% of that sale field value will be updated into the formula field in the text, which is a text, right? So whenever the sale field value will be changed, tax field value will also be changed, because let's say that you have a 10,000 as a sale field value, so it will be automatically the tax field value will be the 3% of 10,000. If you update the sale field for to 20,000, now the tax field value will be 3% of 20,000. So that's why it's a dynamic, it's a read only, and you do not need to write a code for this one. It's just a click into the Salesforce core setup stuff. So in this video, let's say that we have a scenario that we have a teacher object, and if teacher salary is 20,000 or above, then incentive will be 10%. Otherwise, the incentive will be 5%. So how will we do it? Let's quickly see. Let's go into the setup under the object manager, and in the object manager I already have a teacher custom object. Now let's open it, and the field and relation. So yeah, so I have a salary field, and in the salary field, this is a currency, and what I need to do now, I just need to create a incentive field. One second. Okay, so clicking on new, and here you will see this formula. So a read-only field that derives its value from the formula expression you define. The formula field is updated when any of the source field change, right? So I selected this formula and clicking on next here. Here I just need to give the field name. So let's say I give this field name incentive. So label is incentive, name is incentive, and here the value type will be currency, because salary is in a currency field, and I'm just calculating the 20% of that field value. So it will be output will be currency. Clicking on next now. Here there are two tabs: simple formula, where you can select that object name and then you can insert the field. Right now there is only one field, salary, which you can use. So you can put it there, and you can use this operator whether you want to add subtract or whatnot. Otherwise you can go to the advanced formula, which is more helpful. Here you can put the uh, field here. Let's select the salary. So it's a salary underscore C. Now since our scenario is that if salary is 20,000 or above, then 10%, otherwise 5%. So so what I need to do, uh, I need to use a if condition. So here in this area there are the functions, various function has been provided, and I need to use if. So whenever you will click on any of the function, it will show some description about that function as well as expression that how you can use it. So let's say I want to use a if condition, then I will click on if, and it is saying that if the condition is, if the here we need to put the condition. If that condition is true, then this will happen. If this condition is false, then this will happen, right? So what I need to do here, in my condition, if salary underscore C is greater than equal to 20,000, then the value should be the 10%, right? So what I need to do, here salary underscore C should be, and here I can put the multiplication operator, right? And it will be 10%. And if it is, if the 20,000 or greater than is false, then it will be 5%. So this is how it looks like. Uh, Now let's quickly check the syntax here. It will tell that whether this is correct or incorrect. Now there is no syntax error. So what I need to do, I need to click on next. And here, yeah, this is important one. Uh, what will happen if parent field is blank? So in that case, do you want to treat that as zero, or do you want to treat blank field as blank? Right. So for now, I'm selecting the first one, which is the default one. That if the parent field is blank, then consider that as zero. Right. So it means that if that is zero, then cell incentive will also be a zero. Right. Now click next. Here it is saying that on which profile this will be visible. For now, for this demo purpose, I'm just selecting all. Next. And here I'm putting it on the teacher layout and clicking in save. Okay, so now incentive field is created. So I will come back to this object. Let me refresh it. And let me create something new. Okay, it is not showing incentive one. Uh, Let me quickly log out. 1 second. Because sometimes if I log out and log in, then it shows the field. Let's see. Come on. It's a bit slow. Okay. And let's click on teachers. Let's click on new. Interesting. It's not showing it here. Okay. Let's put it 20,000 for now. Okay. It's weird. So it is showing 20,000. Now the incentive is 2,000. If you will change it to 10,000, it's automatically 5% of 10,000, right? So this is how this formula field is working. Uh, Now let's put one more scenario, which is total salary, and total salary will be salary plus incentive. So let's add one more field real quick, and again it will be currency, and next field level is total salary. Okay, and next. Oh, I'm sorry, I did wrong. I need to select the formula field. I'm so sorry. uh, so starting it again, it's a formula field, and again it is a currency, total salary, total salary, and here in the advance, let me put the field. It says salary, as well as insert field, incentive. Okay, so here I'm saying that total salary will be salary plus incentive value. Let's quickly check the syntax. Okay, no error. That's good sign. Clicking on next, visible to all, and then clicking on next, and then save. Okay. Uh, so let's see if this is displayed here or not. Okay. Let me log out one more time. Okay. Perfect. So now teacher subject. Let's quickly see if it is displaying. So yes, if you'll see the total salary is 10,500. If I'm changing a salary here to 30,000 and clicking save, so this incentive is a 10% of salary, so 3,000, and the total salary is 30,000 plus 3,000 is equal to 33,000. So that's how this whole formula field is working. So please take a look of various formulas and various functions which have been provided into the help section, and make yourself comfortable. It's a pretty important field and help us to save a lot of coding. So please do some practice, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.